shop, and I had this grooming made a new product with a big size of a table. And you can see that it's my doggies, Bungdam and Jindal, two doggies, and on the table, very big enough space. So tabletop size from here to here, 120 centimeter. From here to here is 63 centimeter. So more than big doggies, you can grooming very easily and stably. And this one is the highest height, and I can lower it. So lowest is 54 centimeter, and highest (84 centimeter). The stroke is 30 centimeter. 1 second. Sit. Okay. Hands up. So my doggies can easily jump down at lowest position of the table. 진도. 옳지. 웅당. Come on. 그렇지. Yeah, this one is a middle size of dog, Beagle. Beagle can easily jump up and jump down. Jump up. Oh, good job. Jump down. Come on. So table, the lowest size of the table, it seems to be okay for big dogs. Can easily jump up and jump down. The next point of HEDYSGROOMING's big size of table is Footswitch. Footswitch is a TIMOTION's product, and the main point is IP Grade. IP Grade means waterproof and dustproof. And most of the times, puppies, doggies, pee on the switches, and like pee, which means the water cannot get in. This one is IP66 Grade. HEDYSGROOMING's very good point is silicone cover. The material is silicone, very sanitary material, and it can be also get separate from the tabletop. So after grooming, make it separate. You can make it clean by water, and the puppies and doggies, get on, and it's non-slippery, very stable for our doggies. And when we are grooming, non-slippery and very sanitary product, which means HEDYSGROOMING's silicone cover. HEDYSGROOMING's grooming arm is designed for big size of the table. The size from here to here is 126. 1 second, hold on. 126 centimeter. From here to here is 130 centimeter height. So normally big doggies, you can cover up to from here to here 100 centimeter. And there's 3 points of the strip. So you can hold this one from the neck, and this one is, by